Guys, this is Dean's channel, and today we are going to do my favorite vacuums. I don't know if you can see them, but they're just ready to get vacuumed. They're all ready. So I think you remember these two. The Dirt Devil is the second one we got. These are two new ones that we got, that we just bought. We bought a pad swiver with invisible swiver, mad swiver. It also has managed pad. So it has to get a pad, but we're not really going to turn any of these on. And then there's a brand that you've probably heard of. This thing it's not like a mop or a carpet cleaner. It's a steamer. Which, this thing, it has amazing swivel technology. Like, better than our most sharks. If you have seen our shark description video, where, like, that will be next after this video when I do our shark collection, and then our swivel collection, and then the Dirt Devil collection. I do have a Hoover that I may record someday, but I love this swivel thing. Just watch this. Just watch this. Yeet! It turns all the way like that, and you can just yeet like that. And then this is another random part of another shark navigator. So this apparently used to be a navigator, but now it's the all-floors navigator. And we will be turning this on and this on. These two. Just these two. I may tell you some features about steam and but these have reliably kept my apartment clean, really. Like, first, it started out with the swivel. This was our only hope vacuum. The swivel, and that was the only vacuum we had in the Hoover. And a carpet cleaner that I will show you in the next video. So, yes, so let's get right into the video. So the first one we're going to be doing, this whole row. This one is the new stick plum. Easy, because I don't know if you can see it, but it says easy stick plum. So this means you can take this and then, hold on guys, let me show you something. If you sit down and pull really hard, this floor nozzle comes apart, and you don't need to use the height adjustment wheels. You can use the speed adjustment, the height adjustment nozzle, which really helps us. But so yeah, let's get into the video, and then. So I got all these from my house particularly. So yeah. First one we started with, the first one that we got before all of these was Dirt Devil, Shark, Steam Up, and then Shark. But so first is Steamer and then Dirt Devil. then shark, and then navigation. And again, you've probably heard of this brand, Dirt Devil, which I like to think Dirt Devil builds. They do some really good vacuums out in their days. Right now, the only one they have for sale is this, the stick block, and we got it from my grandma. So, let's test it out. It's got a lot of chocolate. That was the first one. Nothing bad. We still have a lot of things to do. Yeah, that was the first one. That was pretty good. I don't mind the squirrel tech. I saw that it was struggling. I am looking to get a Shark Apex dual clean, which I hope I get someday because I really, really want the turbo swivel. Because that head, power head, it meant like my friend, he has a Apex dual clean, except when you do this, the power head loses connection. Or the power head's going dead. Like whenever you do turn, that brush roll, it shuts off. Like it loses connection, the power head's going dead. Yeah, something's not good. But next, Shark's Navigator, which I bet you've seen a ton of times. Not the best. So great. Let's do this. And this one there. Because the new Shark has there. Yep, like always, Shark in here. Alright, this is Dean Channel checking out. Hopefully you have a good day. Goodbye.